Hi, I'm really excited to be able to show you the latest renovation project that we've completed. A house that's been really interesting to do, merging 4 different extensions over its life into a property now that has respectful design to the original older elements to the house, but has all the mod cons and fantastic modern features as well. So come and look at our traditional and contemporary home all as one. Let's take a look. The entrance to the house, it's the oldest part of the house, as you can see. So we wanted to make a true testament to the wood panelling. So we've made a modern twist by having this really fun zigzag carpet, but it absolutely works. The drawing room and the dining room, we were absolutely amazed when we pulled back the old carpets. We found solid oak flooring, which was an absolute dream, which we sanded back, stained to match the wood panelling, and it looks absolutely stunning. The drawing room itself had no heating originally, so look at these wonderful period radiators that we brought in, and the furnishings that we've decided, a mixture of new, coming in with clients' existing pieces. We've got sophistication in a traditional setting. This wonderful open plan kitchen and family room came with 2 requests from my clients. 1, she wanted this wonderful aubergine arbor, and 2, she wanted some curb seating. Now the whole space is actually 3 spaces brought in one. There were 2 rooms, part of the original house, and then an extension that we've made that then opens up to garden, gives a 93 square metre wonderful family space to enjoy. We've taken the aubergine theme, we've brought it out in the granite, some handmade glass blown lights to really have some unique elements in design in the room. But it's a fun, it's a comfortable, entertaining and family living space. The kitchen and open plan living area was really fun to work with. Here we got much brighter and created a fabulous space. We've got a classic shaker style kitchen, but it has all the mod cons. A beautiful light airy space with these huge floor tiles which benefits from modern underfloor heating. And here we've got really colourful, with my clients' 2 favourite colours, the aubergine and this tealy blue, and made a really bright, fun space. Renovations can sometimes reveal interesting things, and one of the walls we knocked down to create this large open space actually revealed an old outside wall of the house from many years ago. And here you can see the pictures of the old crittle windows that a previous builder had just completely left alone and wrapped a wall around it. The master bedroom was another wonderful space to work on. By having such a large kitchen underneath, gave us equally a very large master space. We were restricted because of plumbing restrictions in terms of the size of the ensuite we could have, so why not have a wonderful cast iron bath right here in the bedroom? Another beautiful feature of this space are these stunning crystal chandeliers, which I have to say took me a whole day to build. This is absolutely my favourite part of the house, and the place where my clients really let me push them design-wise to create a truly individual space. They wanted a library, so I said, why don't we take the garage, as it was down below here, and the spare room above, and merge them to create this wonderful double height entertainment suite. And they really love it. A key design feature of this space, which my clients loved the idea from the beginning, was creating this full height glass facade which sets this area off completely. Up here on the mezzanine, we decided to create a modern panelling effect to have a testament to an older part of the house. When we're called in to lead on a renovation project, the most important thing is it's design-led from the inside out. So it's about creating a vision, a truly wonderful space that you can enjoy, and then we bring in to work with us architects, structural engineers, to work together to enable the physical structure to serve the best interior design we can come up with for the client.
We've lived here a really long time, but it's taken us a long time to work out what we want from the house. We knew how we wanted to live, but not so much how we wanted to lay it out, so we needed some help with that. We started looking around online and found Deborah's phone number and gave her a ring and said, at what stage should we bring a designer into the process? She said immediately, and we said okay, and really that has been the best phone call we've made the whole project.
Yeah, Deborah's been involved from day one, sort of initial sitting around the kitchen table, getting some ideas, she was getting to know us.
Our first conversation with Deborah, we had a photograph of a bench seat around a circular table that we'd fallen in love with. And Deborah had the idea of using my grandmother's table that she bequeathed to me when she passed away as the centrepiece for that, which would sit in the centre of our kitchen and become very much the hub of the family home, which was just wonderful.
I think the biggest wow moment for me was when the light went on in the media suite. I mean, it just is like, what? So what, we're actually gonna live here? It seems like something you kind of see in the magazines or something, but yeah, I mean, that was just wow.
There was a moment just before then when the creation of that double-storey frame had just happened, and Deborah and I stood in the driveway and the two of us had tears rolling down our faces. It was just so amazing, such a special moment.
I did that.
Yeah. Deborah has been superb from day one. She brought everyone else in with her, so that one phone call provided us with designer and architect and builder and every other service person who's since worked in the house. So it's been absolutely superb. She's kept to budget, to time, she's chivied us along, she's come up with ideas we could never have even dreamed of, and it's just been wonderful.
So I hope you like what you've seen in this video, and if you've got a project you'd like to talk to us about, then give us a call.